Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an audio file to your Android application. So, the first step is to create a raw folder inside the RAS folder. It is the same thing with the video file. So we have do it before. Let's do it again. So in my application, I will create directly from here new directory. I call it raw, and inside it, so I will show it in Explorer. Open show in Explorer. Okay, and here I will copy my audio file. Here is it. After this, I will come back here, and now I will change the stream. For this type of file audio, we don't need any component in our screen. Yes, it's very specific. So to manage audio file, we just only to add some class in our main activity like this. We will use the media player. It's imported from Android from here, media player, and to create it, make like this, media player dot create, and here use this means this context in this activity, and here put the name of your audio file like this, r.raw.timerframes. Okay, so I think put this instruction here. Here is it. You will find it in the website. All this class method you can find it in the website. Okay, also the component that you will use. When each time I will create a new video, I will put the link to the website associated to this video, and I explain in briefly what is the class, what is the method that you will use, and the component. So let's continue. And here, to make the audio file play or start, we just need to add this instruction, media dot start, like this. Okay, as I put it here. So now I will run my application. I hope that it works. Yes, we can have some surprise. With any new version in programming language, we found a bug, new things. Yes, we don't know what we can get. So what is the problem? Can't find server viable. Okay. So here, he told me he don't found this. So the first thing, I will make clean project. Okay, and I will build it again. Okay, he told me error f is not valid file based resource name. Okay, I have the name here uppercase, so I will change it. As you can see, I will correct the error directly in live refactor. So let's see again. Reprint. I add sound. Okay, now I can run it. Let's see. Sorry. Do you listen? Yes, it's farm sound. Okay. Okay, it's good. It's good. So I mean, it's good. I restart the application. Bah, where is it? Where is the application? Okay. Now I will give you a little big challenge. Is to add two buttons to your application. The first button will make play for your audio file, and the second will make the pause for your audio file. So we have only 10 seconds because it's very easy. حلوة كده أحسن. سهلة كده أحسن. هيا بينا. Let's go. Found it or no? I will manage this. So let's start. I will go to my activity. So in the screen, I will add here two buttons. So I can let this one. I don't need it. I will just add two button. I don't care about the position of this button. So button one, I will call this one button start. Okay, and here so let's start. Second one is, I'm sorry, don't click, just click start. Start. And I will add the second button. Pause. And here button pause. And I will analyze the method on click search pause. Okay. What is problem with you? Yes, I know. I don't implement yet the method. It's normal. So I will go to main activity. I will add the start method and pause method. Click void start, and here view, and here. So just import the view. I will copy this one, just this part of code. I will copy it. I put it here for the start. Okay, I will make the same thing with the pause button. Big void pause view, and here I will make media dot pause. I don't have it. Why? I don't have it the media here. Why? Because the declaration of the variable media for the class media player is inside the start method, so I can't see it outside this method. Okay, to correct this, I just move the declaration, this one here. I put it here in main class, and I just initialize in the start. Okay, and now I can access the media file in this method. Let's and pause method. Good. Now let's see what application give us as a result. So I will add the sound. Up, pause. Okay, so let's start again. Pause. But I have a problem. As you can see, when I make start, it will play from the start of the audio file. I don't want this. I want to resume this audio file when I have make the pause. Okay? So to resolve this, what I make, I just move the initialization of the audio file in onCreate method, like this. And here I hope we have another result. So let's see. I just know. Oh, it's only the pause. As you can see, I repeat, pause. You see? You listen? The audio, we continue. It is not, we start from the position 0. Okay? It's good. So, you have seen this video how to add an audio file, how to manage it, how to make the pause for this video. And in the next video, inshallah, I will show you advanced management of this audio file. What I mean? I added seek bar. The seek bar is when you control, for example, the volume of this audio file, or for me, I will control the position of the audio file. It means, for example, if you have audio file, the longest of the audio file is 1 minute, in the seek bar, I put the length of this time from 0 seconds to 1 minute. If I move my seek bar to 10 seconds, my audio file will start to 10 seconds. Okay? It's more complicated than this simple management, but if you, of course, follow the video step by step and not all what I will do, don't worry. I will create, inshallah, the same thing for each type of video. Each class, what do you want to use? Each method and each component in the screen, in the website, and also in my presentation. Okay? Don't worry about this, but just follow step by step to make it. So see you in this video, inshallah. Play now with different type of file, sorry, image, video, audio, and just to wait for the next ones. I hope that you have understood at this moment all this concept. Don't worry, again, step by step, you will create your first Android application as a professional. See you in next video, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.